Yeah, hello. Once again, it's Richard for here. This is Lucky Tuesday. The mandate is only the second plan that play 19 on the event, but let's look at something new here in national paper. So let's see. Okay, in the year 1999, they started playing it at event 1898. 1898. They played the game from the top here, but let's begin from that 1898. They play 73 with 80. Following week, then they play 28. That is the counter of the 73, the 28. Then following week, they play 61. Also at each winning, they play 16. At each winning, they play the counter, that is 61 with the 87. So they play two numbers first. Then following week, they play 31 also in the machine. Then 29 will play at center, winning position. So now you see that they play two first, then they play one. They have to play two again or three. But you see that the 28, that is the counter of the 73, will have to come as a banker on its own. Then the 87 over there will also jump as a banker. So these two numbers, 28, 87, will play you too short on the event. But the single 4 here is my banker, the main banker of the plan. I'm using this single 4 because of the 29. I used to say it, but it's like we've not really won with it, or we did not win game with this single 4 playing after 29 plays. So you see it, they played over there. There is so when you come to the Lucky Tuesday, you will see the same thing that they play in the national. At event 939, they also play the 73 with the 80. Following week, then the 73 will counter 28. Then following week, they play the 87 at winning with 61. Then they will counter it to machine 16. So now the 29 will play at the center position with 31 in machine. So now that 28 and then the 87 will come and play you too short. But at the same time, the 29 will have to give us single 4. So that single 4 is a banker on its own. If you come to in the year, let's say in the year 1997, the national still at event 1793, they play 21 over there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. The 21 play at the center again. Here he play with 14. So you know that this event play two numbers last week. So following week, that is a single 4 to play under the 29. This event is good. It's also good to play because it's just starting. So they play 29 with the 14. Now the 14 will counter 59 to play with the single 4 that is on the event. But when you watch the event, you can see group 4s are on the event. That is 85 and then the 48 itself. But the single 4 is the reason why I'm even showing it. So the single 4 should play at center. That is the position it's supposed to play. So when you come to the current year also, you will see that is the 21. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. The 29 will play at the center with the 14. So the 14 is supposed to counter. That is 14 playing with the 59 playing with the single 4. That is one of the too short on that particular event. But when you come to, again, still in the national, in the year 1992, you will see the same thing that is set in the first one, that they play 61. Following week 29, then they play 60 in machine. Following week, you see single 4 with the 87. So that 29 should give us single 4 playing with the 87. Again, that is the 14 that have to play them. So single 4, 87, too short on its own. So this is the event. As you can see, it's the same 61, 29 that is playing the single 4, 87. So the same 61, 29 that have to play there. So this is the event that I'm using for Lucky Tuesday event 1902 in the national paper. Numbers on the event 28, 24, single 4, single 187, 28, 24, single 4, single 1, and then 87. Even the single 1 and then the 28 is the split of the 29. That is 29 that split on the event. So definitely the event is going to work for us. So let's see what will happen. Bye for now. Let's hope for the best. Thank you for being here.